Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about adding Instagram camera shortcut on your lock screen. Now, if you're someone who creates reels, stories, or quick videos, this feature can save you a lot of time as this lets you jump straight into the camera from your lock screen in just one tap. Now, to set this up, you want to open your Instagram app and go to your profile. From there, you want to tap the menu icon in the top corner and head into settings. Now, look for the section related to app shortcuts or camera access. Then you want to enable the option that allows Instagram camera access or shortcuts to make it available as a quick launch option. After turning it on, your phone will display an Instagram camera shortcut alongside your other lock screen shortcuts. So go ahead and lock your phone to see the Instagram camera shortcut right on your lock screen. Now, whenever inspiration hits, maybe you want to record a real idea, capture behind the scenes content, or quickly film a story, you can launch the Instagram camera instantly without fully opening the app. Just keep in mind that this feature may depend on your phone's operating system and lock screen customization settings, so you might also need to allow Instagram camera access in your phone's lock screen settings. And that's pretty much about it. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!